In the year 2026, we find ourselves surrounded by a digital deluge, a ceaseless tide of disposable electronics and single-use gadgets designed to fail, forcing us into an endless cycle of upgrades. It is rare, indeed, to encounter a tool built with the intention of lasting decades, a piece of engineering that truly respects your time and your investment. The commercial-grade sushi roll slicer, for all its niche application, is one such exception. What sets a truly premium device apart is often hidden in its core mechanics, the details you only appreciate over years of use. Consider the blade assembly on this unit. It is not merely sharp, it is engineered for consistent, repeatable precision. With 12 segmented non-stick blades, honed to exacting standards, a single downward press transforms a painstakingly rolled cylinder into 12 perfectly uniform pieces. Imagine your busiest morning, the clock ticking, and a fresh roll needing preparation. This isn't just about cutting sushi. It is about shaving minutes from your routine, ensuring a consistent, professional finish every single time. That translates to regained time, a commodity far more valuable than any fleeting discount. Hold this machine, and the difference is immediate. It is food-grade stainless steel, through and through, substantial, dense, and cool to the touch. There is zero flex in the frame, no give in the mechanism. Every surface speaks of thoughtful fabrication, not cost-cutting. This isn't a plastic toy that will warp or dull. This is a robust instrument designed to endure high-volume use for years, decades even, resisting the corrosion and wear that sends lesser tools to the landfill. It is an investment against future errors, against replacements, and against the frustration of equipment that simply gives up. Now, in full transparency, this unit is undeniably hefty. Its commercial pedigree means it commands a fair amount of counter space, a size that might feel a touch excessive for a cramped home kitchen. But that very mass, that formidable build, is precisely what grants it its unyielding stability and precision. It is a minor ergonomic consideration that is utterly eclipsed by its unwavering performance and the sheer permanence of its construction. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I put the link below, so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.